Unlocking your true potential. The power of mindfulness and personal growth. Have you ever felt like you're running on autopilot, chasing deadlines, and missing the joy of living? What if the key to unlocking your true potential is already within you, hidden in the power of mindfulness and personal growth? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to transform your mindset and achieve success like never before. Mindfulness and personal development aren't just buzzwords, they're life-changing tools. Whether you're looking to excel in your career, deepen your relationships, or simply live a more fulfilled life, these practices can open the door to extraordinary possibilities. But how do they work? And more importantly, how can you apply them to your daily life? Let's start with mindfulness. At its core, mindfulness is about living in the present moment. It's about being fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings without judgment. Imagine starting your day with 10 minutes of mindfulness, sipping your coffee while truly savoring its aroma, feeling gratitude for the quiet moments. Studies show this simple practice can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase overall happiness. So, what could you achieve with a clear and centered mind? Now, let's talk about personal development. This is where you take your mindfulness practice and use it as a foundation to grow. Setting clear goals, embracing challenges, and learning from failure are all part of the journey. Personal development isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Remember, success is not just about reaching a destination, it's about who you become along the way. When you combine mindfulness and personal growth, you create a powerful synergy. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused, while personal development propels you forward. Together, they form the ultimate toolkit for achieving success. Want to be more productive? Start your day by meditating for 5 minutes, then outline 3 key tasks. Need better relationships? Practice active listening and respond with empathy. So, how can you begin this transformative journey? Start small. Pick one mindfulness practice and one personal development goal and commit to them this week. If you're ready to unleash your potential and live the life you've always dreamed of, don't wait. Begin your journey today. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into mindfulness, personal growth, and living your best life. And remember, the path to success starts with one mindful step.